When walking through an elephant camp, a man noticed that the elephants were only secured with a small rope that was tied around one ankle. He wondered why the elephants didn't break free from the rope, as the elephants were certainly strong enough to do so. He asked the trainer why the elephants didn't try to break free, and the trainer responded by saying that they use the same size rope for baby elephants all the way up to adulthood because they're too small. When they're babies to break free from the rope, they grow up being conditioned that the rope is stronger than they are. As adults, they think the rope can still hold them, so they don't try to fight it. The moral: the elephants in this case are experiencing learned helplessness. This phenomenon occurs when someone has been conditioned to anticipate discomfort in some way without having a way to avoid it or make it stop. After enough conditioning, the person will stop any attempts to avoid the pain, even if they see an opportunity to escape. If you go through life thinking that you can't do something just because you have failed at doing it in the past, you're living with a fixed mindset. You have to let go of your limiting beliefs in order to make the breakthroughs that are required for your ultimate success. Don't let other people tell you that you can't do something, and don't hold on to an assumption that you can't grow and learn from past failures. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.